Hi y'all, Viv the Caribbean team, preferred real estate broker selling the American dream here in Central Florida. So I'm here in Eustis looking at new construction home, land and sea, and walking into this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Come, let's go on inside and take a look and see what it looks like. As you walk in, you can see good hallway, nice hallway. We have a bedroom off the front. You see? And keep in mind, these homes are starting off in the $369,000. Okay, this comes with a 2-car garage, 4-bedroom. Comes with your tile, laundry, and it has this flex space right here. You can use it for your dining room, or you can use it as a special sit-in area if you want. And then you open up, it has open concept kitchen as you come out with your stainless steel appliances, microwave vented to the outside, standard cabinets and countertop. Okay, great floor plan. If you're looking to purchase something like this or any other home, contact my team and I today. I'd love to assist you. Don't forget to bring your realtor with you if you're going to go look at new construction. You can't always register them later, but you can register them ahead of time, okay? So remember to take your realtor with you when you're going to go look at new construction. Okay, that concludes this tour for this new construction. Contact my team and I for some more information. 321-231-8487. Look forward to hearing from you and answer any question that you may have about this beautiful home or any other home. Thank you for watching. Viv the Caribbean team, preferred real estate brokers selling the American dream here in Central Florida.